just eat nicely and work out nicely, bro. That's life. Fitness what? No secret, no shortcuts, as you told. You have to work hard, that's all, no shortcuts.
Any more questions?
Asking that this is a fan-made movie, right?
Sorry?
This is a fan-made movie, fanboy movie. Fanboy movie, right?
Is it a fanboy movie? He's asking.
Is it the see a fan?
Yes.
So my question is, what was the biggest fan moment in this movie?
Yeah, yes, I'm working with Baba. That's biggest moment in my life, and the first shot I'll shoot, then opening shot, fight master, you know, Ravi Verma is there, and everyone is there. Baba's came. Yeah. First shot, car is fast coming, and then open the door. In running car, I'll put the leg in ground. His fight master is saying, "Sir, it's not. Please, you do two. बाबा को नहीं करता है, क्योंकि मैं अच्छा तरह जानता हूँ. So do करता है. So master, you come. Please guide. ऐसे करके मैं बाबा को बोला, बाबा स्टार्ट था, so car fast में आता, so door open, the leg just like scratches the leg. They say, yeah, take Pranjal. The first shot. No, you do. No, what? Yeah, take, chalo, take. It's the first shot in my life. And Baba के साथ काम किया, so बहुत happy. That is crazy, Baba. Yeah, I think this next time we're coming song is too crazy. But then we're coming song. And then thanks to Mohanlal sir, because the first time first teaser launch, title teaser launch, I asked Mohanlal sir, sir, please give me your voice. I want your voice, sir. That time Mohanlal sir shoot in London, UK. I called, then he says, I'm in shooting frame. After pack up 6 o'clock, I'll go to studio and record and send you. You see how much love and dedication and then supporting that. And I'm really thanks to Mohanlal sir. Thank you so much. Love you, Mohanlal sir.
Sir, like that, is here, same person. Sir, here, same person. Is KD going to be the biggest?